Welcome to Homework
Okay,
Lib.
so I see that you need help with this question, and it says a store sells floor covering for $18 per square yard. Installed. Store B, so that's store A. Store B charges $1.85 per square foot for the same floor covering installed. How much will it cost in store A to cover 2,000 square feet, and how much will it cost in store B to cover 2,000 square feet? So if it's $18 per square yard, and if it's 2,000 square feet, and I want to convert it to square yards. And so if I convert that to square yards, 1 square foot is equal to 0.11 yards squared. So I'm going to take 2,000 and multiply it by, it's 1/9 because it's, and that is 222 and 2/9 square yards. And so then I'm going to do 222 and 2/9 times 18. And that is actually $4,000 for store A. Oops. A. And then for store B, I'm going to multiply that $1.85 times, so $1.85 times 2,000. Oops. And I'm going to get 3,700, and that is for store B. So store B is cheaper. So I hope that this video will help. This is the middle school math teacher signing.